Hi and welcome to Garden Garage. I am Imran and today's video is about gardening tools. So let's get started. Gardening is a beautiful hobby, and most of the gardening is done by hands, but gardening without tools is difficult and painful, especially for hands and fingers. Whether it's digging, cleaning or trimming a plant, without the tools it's very hard to maintain a beautiful garden. Today's video is about the garden gloves. Let's unbox my new garden Genie gloves. These gloves comes in box. Let's see what's inside. I will put the link in description from where I buy these gloves. Okay, here we have a pair of gloves. Let's open it. Here we have the left hand glove. It's simple but the quality and fabric is very good and stretchable, which means it can fit to any size of hands. Its front and back are made of rubber type material which is stretchable and waterproof. The right hand glove contains 4 claws that are made with unbreakable plastic to protect your finger. Both the pair are made with perfect material. Let's try these on my hand and see if it's fit. Well, it's fit perfectly and feels very light and comfortable. Now let's try them on my little garden. Okay, here we are at my little garden. These gloves are waterproof, means they can be easily cleaned with water without removing from hands. As you can see, I am cleaning these gloves and they are as dry as new. Let me show you what these 4 claws actually do. They are made for digging and cleaning. As you can see how quick I made a small hole for a plant without much effort. It's so quick and easy. Well, at last but not least, these gloves can help me a lot to maintain my beautiful garden without harming my fingers, nails or hands. Hope you like my videos. For more videos about gardening tools, seeds, and flowers, subscribe, like and share my channel.